Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your XIAOMI POCO X3, for the first you have to go for the settings. After that, scroll down, tap on the lock screen. Here we have to scroll down one more time and go for the passwords and the security. And let's go for the password. Input your currently locked method. And we can change it, for example, for the PIN. Read the description, and after a few seconds we can tap on the "We got it." Input your input your PIN. Click continue and input it one more time. Click OK, and after that we can go and try our new lock method. And as you can see, it is working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.